What is an educational audiologist, and what 3 big challenges do they help students overcome? I'll answer these questions and more in this video. Coming up! Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist, audio engineer, and musician with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. So what is an educational audiologist? This type of audiologist serves hearing impaired students in the schools. Audiology services may be included as part of a student's individualized education program or IEP. There are 3 challenges that greatly impact a hearing impaired student's ability to hear and understand their teacher: noise, distance, and lack of visual cues. First, we all know that classrooms are noisy. Background noise makes speech more difficult to understand, and it takes more listening effort to separate out the speech from the noise. Second, students may not always be seated close to their teacher. Being farther away from the teacher means that the teacher's voice is quieter, and the noise level in the classroom is often louder than the teacher's voice. Third, students may not always be able to see their teacher's face for visual cues while they're talking, which makes understanding even more difficult. Noise, distance, and lack of visual cues can negatively impact a hearing impaired student's ability to excel in a classroom environment. An educational audiologist helps these students access their curriculum by maximizing their ability to hear and understand speech in the classroom. This can be accomplished with assistive listening technology, education, advocacy, and communication strategies. Educational audiologists also collaborate with IEP team members to support hearing impaired students. Now, if you're receiving value from this video so far, please hit the like button so that more people can see this content. Educational audiologists work with a variety of different manufacturers of hearing aids and cochlear implants, as well as recommend and manage assistive listening equipment like FM systems in the classroom. FM systems wirelessly send the sound of a teacher's voice directly to a student's hearing aids, cochlear implants, or a loudspeaker in the classroom. An educational audiologist helps students advocate for themselves so that they can hear their best in class and become more independent using their hearing technology. An educational audiologist has a variety of different job duties. They test students, attend IEP meetings, observe students in class, consult with teachers, select and manage assistive listening equipment, troubleshoot hearing aids and cochlear implants, and educate teachers on technology. An educational audiologist serves a valuable role within the education system. Their expertise working with all the latest advances in hearing technology help ensure hearing impaired students hear their best by overcoming the challenges of noisy classroom environments. Now, if you like this video, please hit the like button. What questions do you have about educational audiology? Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and click or tap the screen for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.